funny when it rains and pours? They got money for wolves and can't feed the poor. You know what's funny when it rains and pours? They got money for wolves and can't feed the poor. You know what's funny when it rains and pours? They got money for wolves and can't feed the poor. You know what's funny when it rains and pours? They got money for wolves and can't feed the poor.
I'm taking it one day at a time, trying to stay out of prison. I thank God that I'm living. The government got some shit with them. I refuse to be a victim. Y'all been knowing us for years. We sick of shedding tears. I'm ready for the revolution. Start recruiting. The crooked ass cops pull us over and start shooting. Damn, they never think twice about what they doing. Another black family ruin. Too much confusion in this world of illusions. I done jump to conclusions. I ain't the one that y'all fooling. My people do restitution, right? These man-made laws y'all abusing, so don't be scared when these goons start shooting.
You know what's funny when it rains and pours? They got money for wolves and can't feed the poor. You know what's funny when it rains and pours? They got money for wolves and can't feed the poor. You know what's funny when it rains and pours? They got money for wolves and can't feed the poor. You know what's funny when it rains and pours? They got money for wolves and can't feed the poor.
They got money for wars, diseases with no cure. Only God can judge me, so what you judging me for? Y'all got the nerve, y'all owe us million or more. It been over 400 years, and y'all still closing doors. Bombing other countries, killing families, unnecessary wars. I'm speaking up, I refuse to be ignored. We've been going through hell since the doctor clipped the umbilical cord. We hustling for things that we can't afford. It's time to even the score. Every day in the ghetto, it's a war. I'm sick of this shit, I can't take no more. So fuck the government, the president, the judge. They be locking my people up for centuries or more, yeah.
You know what's funny when it rains and pours? They got money for wolves and can't feed the poor. You know what's funny when it rains.
Mr. Shakur, you say whether you classify yourself or not, it seems clear there are violent overtones in your music. What kind of message does that send out to the children, Mr. Shakur?
It's funny how the government got money for wars and shit in our own country getting ignored. We got homeless people living on the streets, people dying of starvation, police brutality, and it's supposed to be the land of opportunity. Man, that's some bullshit.